Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get the latest iOS SDK on xCode 10. This method is easy and simple. As you can see here in deployment target, I have iOS 12.1 SDK. As you can see here, I have the version 10.1 of xCode. Of course, I cannot update xCode because I am on Mac High Sierra. If you upload your app to the App Store without the latest version of iOS SDK, your app will be rejected. Okay, now I will show you how to get the latest version of iOS SDK. First, close xCode. Make sure to close it from the background. Now you need to download these two files. This file contains the latest version of iOS SDK which you need. And this file contains the device support. You don't need to download this file. If you want, you can download the device support you want from this site. As you can see here you can choose the device support files you want. You can download the version you want. In case you want all versions, download this file. Okay, now extract the two files. This folder contains the device support, and this folder contains the latest version of iOS SDK. As you see here, this is the latest version of iOS SDK. It is iOS 14 target. All you will do is copy these two folders and place them inside xCode. Now open Apps folder and go to xCode, or open it through the icon from here. Now right click on mouse. Now here choose Show Package Contents. Now open Contents folder. Now go to Developer. Now go to Platforms. Now here open iPhone OS.platform. Now open the device support folder. As you can see here, I have all the versions, so I don't need to copy anything here. Here copy these folders and put them here in the device support folder inside the xCode. Now make sure that you are in iPhone OS.platform folder. Now here open the developer folder. Okay, now open SDKs folder. As you can see here I have an old version of the iOS SDK, which is iOS 12.1 SDK. Before you do anything here, be sure to copy these two files before deleting them. I will copy these files. Okay, now copy the latest version of iOS SDK from the folder you downloaded. Now paste it here inside the xCode. Okay, here enter your Mac password and click enter. Okay, now click replace. Okay, now delete this folder. Make sure that you only have these two files that you copied. Now open xCode. Okay, now open any project you have. I will open my project. If you followed the steps correctly, you should find the latest version of iOS SDK in xCode. Okay, now go here. As you can see, now I have the latest version of iOS SDK. This means that you can now upload your app to the App Store with the latest iOS SDK. As you see, I am on the version 10.1 of xCode and I have the latest version of iOS SDK. Now just build your project and upload it to the App Store. Thanks for watching. Peace.